MCA Parma County Manyamera ogole kombegi bangre mchope rombe aboro magod burano kalore kod chik. MCA pargo kamotingo Marigo Manyambega Gisesa Joel Mbongi Mabokeira kod jowar ngamo kaboro oyudre kamarach bang komiti matao chendo mong'ere kaka Powers and Privileges Committee yudogi kod ketho madhi ataro mar katiba. Ekineno MCA ma Hitibo Lameko Nyancha okumni ok nyal donje twaka paga uchiel magod burano kanyawari mama Gwagwa Abel Mose bende omikuma ni ok nyal donje twaka biriyo magod buch County Manyamera. Yoroke witend od bura mar County Manyamera osebedo ka kelo pogruok e kind MCAs kod jotelo mamoko e County no Manyamera.
Amendment 41P of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 will take force on the following. The Honorable Nyangao Joel Mbongi, Okera Ward, Honorable Malo Mada Kerugo, Special Elect, Honorable Musiere Lydia Naboke, Special Elect, the Honorable Onyancha Petrus Kerugo, Special Elect, Honorable Gisesa Emmanuel Nyambega, Bigoma Ward, Honorable Abere Elijah Sawe, Special Elect, the Honorable Nyakangi Chelia, the Special Elect, the Honorable General Nafula, Special Elect, the Honorable Matunura Spora Kerugo, Obara Edina Mura, Special Elect.
Even those who have been fueling Bunga Mashinano as Speaker, the Excellent. May we be crucified with them, the Excellent Speaker. The head of Treasury Speaker, who are just engineering on a Speaker. Allow us not to die alone. Speaker, allow also to be part of this.
Oyo machielo nyakuram gajuanga no ka jalango tieno wachana